Hello people of YouTube and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am doing this look over here. I decided to play with some like blues and pinks and like this really shimmery thing because I went to Clicks and I found these my must-haves from Essence, and I have like 2 other videos using them because like they're brand new and I got excited. And I had to do it. And I've never like had blue eyeshadow that's like matte that I can just like sort of. So that's what I did. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. If you don't like the video, please like, comment and subscribe anyways. And I will leave you to watch the video. I already did my brows and I prepped my eyelids because I thought it was just going to be like, oh hey, let me just do a quick thing and then I can like go and like meet my friends for first Thursday. And I was like, whoa! I'm gonna go in with my fake Huda, and I'm gonna mix these 3 colors together, and that'll be like my general roofy color. Just gonna blend it out a little, or a lot. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out what exactly is happening. If it looks like I'm looking down, it's because I am. My mirror's here. And it is allowing for your girl to see what she is doing properly. Because the colors don't look the same, like here and there. Oh, I'm also looking for like cameras that I could get that are nice and stuff and like affordable. Nice and affordable, because affordability is important. So I'm just gonna do this on this side. Go in with this. It is 16 Dare to Wear. I know, I've been playing with the blue a lot, but it's only because it's like brand new and I did like 3 videos in 2 days. And I'm gonna use the same brush. I know I shouldn't, but like I won't use the same brush for like blending. Yeah, I'll clean it, sort of, half clean it. Blue. Yeah, I'm just gonna pop it in there and hope for the best. Oh, that was a lot. That was a hell of a lot. It might not look like it in the camera, but it's a lot. It's okay. We keep going. Ooh. Okay. This brush, I'm just gonna, you know, try and fix the mess I made. I'm just gonna do that on this side. An eyeliner pencil. It's just a white eyeliner. And I'm gonna use this to sort of carve out my eye. The Disco Professional Eyeliner in 38 White. That's what we're going to use. I'm just going to draw where I want to put the light shadow. Brush I use for concealer. I'm just going to use it to spread that bitch. And like hope it works. Ooh, okay. Okay, I'm just gonna do the same thing to this side. Soften that switch up. Because right now it's just looking. going to use again from my must-haves, the Eyeshadow 05 in Cotton Candy. Oh my gosh, oh my god, guys, it looks so nice. Okay, I'm just gonna finish before I get too excited. Oh, fuck. Guys. Just to sort of blend that edge, because these are looking very harsh. I don't think there's any more blending and adding I can do. So we're gonna move on. It's a super precise eyeliner, waterproof and long lasting. This is currently my vibe for today. That's our wing. I'm just going to connect it. Makeup wipe, just to kind of clean up my edges. Thought I was going to conceal them and then I kind of decided not to. Use my M.A.C setting spray and I'm just going to set my shadow, because I'm officially done shadowing. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna pop it on. Oh, I just poked my eye. I poked my eye. I'm gonna go in with Pro Concealer from LA Girl in Warm Honey. Yeah, so this color suits me way better. Still look like an absolute mess when I do this thing, but it's interesting. I don't know, I think I need new techniques. Blending, lots of blending. Always blending, guys. I'm gonna use my pre-make, use my brush. So basically just kind of patting it into the skin with the brush, sort of the same way I do it with the beauty blender, so like in and slight drag, like a little bit of a drag, because obviously I need to get it to move around and stuff. And I mean, I like this brush. I've come to the conclusion that I like things too much, because I want to go places, right? Definitely want to go places. But I also kind of don't want to go places. You know, I want to go places, but I don't want to leave where I'm at home.
I don't have to see, but like, I'm breaking out so hectically, like right here, and right here too. And I've got like these fucking assholes.
I'm mixing on that, I agree with that. My contour work, did it with my MAC MW55. I put all the products I've used down in the description below so that you can, if you want them, get them. just gonna powder, and I'm just gonna set the rest of my face that doesn't have like stuff on it. It can be set. Use that down here. This is it. This is the finished look. Quick close-up of thy face. It's just even. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe anyways. I am here from time to time. I'm getting better at it, I promise. If you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see, please link it down below and let me, well, yeah, you can link it down below. You can just like leave a comment and tell me.